Assalamu alaikum. Last week, after WWDC 25, the Apple released the developer beta of the softwares for all its products. They introduced the concept of liquid glass and brought forward the new operating system, a sort of unified operating system across all its across all of its platforms. This liquid glass concept gives the apps, icons, and the home screen of the devices the opacity like that of the glass and the fluidity like that of the water. Here we will be talking about the iOS 26. The size of the update is about 15 GB. After rebooting the device, after the phone gets updated, we get this type of welcome screen. Let's first talk about the lock screen. The lock screen now gets a new redesign. We have a new design for the lock screen. We can now enlarge the font for the time, like this. For example, if keep this enlarged font for the time automatically adjusts itself for the incoming messages. We can also give a 3D effect to the lock screen wallpaper. Like this. We will add a new wallpaper here. Photos. All. For example, this one. We have a little icon over here on the right side. It's generating the spatial scene. Like this. I'm just giving that 3D effect to the wallpaper. We can also now customize the home screen in a very different way. For example, if we edit here, we have, apart from add widget, customize and edit pages, we also have one more section here, edit wallpaper. For example, if we go into the customize, we can make the apps small or large with this icon now. We now have the clear view of the icons. We have both light and dark for them. It's the dark version of the clear icons. And the icons look just like glasses. And the phone app also gets a redesign. The favorites are now in the shape of bars, and we have or recents. In the recents we have the voicemail, we have calls altogether. And when we move from one menu to another menu, it feels like we are moving the glass or the menus. Messages app also gets some design changes. We can now set the background for the chats. Here we have backgrounds. We can choose from a bunch of backgrounds, or we can create one with the playgrounds app. There are different sections when we select a particular chat. We have new menu at the top right corner. Here we have the unknown senders, transactions, promotions, and different categories. We can also now filter the messages. We can screen unknown senders, and they can be placed in one menu. In unknown senders, camera app also gets a redesign. There's a new icon for the app, and there's whole new UI. We have different options like this. By clicking the dots above on the right corner, you can get these options like this: styles, exposure flash, aspect ratio, and we can also change the frame rate and resolution in the videos by clicking here. We have also a few new changes in Safari. The address bar now collapses at the bottom, so that we can have the full page experience. So this was iOS 26. Like and subscribe for more videos on this. Till then, bye bye.